Can you imagine being able to earn passive income for life just by sharing your bandwidth? What's up guys? How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing incredibly well. Today, we're going to analyze a platform where you can earn passive income for life just by sharing your internet bandwidth. Just with that, through a decentralized network, which we are going to analyze right now. Alright guys, the platform I'm presenting to you today is called MegaNet Network, which is a decentralized network. But before we talk directly about what the project is all about, I want to remind you that in the description of this video, you'll find the necessary links to access the platform directly and join the social media channels. Absolutely everything will be in the description and in the pinned messages through official links, so you don't have any kind of loss when entering the platform directly. First of all, to understand what this platform is about, let's read a little bit of what it says in the description. So, MegaNet is a decentralized network that allows millions of users to earn rewards by sharing their unused internet bandwidth. And with that, obviously, turning inactive resources into value. And it tells us the following: as we move towards a future driven by artificial intelligence, the risks of centralization in cloud computing increase as power is becoming more concentrated in large tech companies. For its part, MegaNet envisions a shift towards a more open and decentralized infrastructure. What is the goal of this platform? The goal is to build a computing platform of an inclusive, accessible, and affordable edge. Our platform will support innovative use cases such as content distribution, serverless computing, and artificial intelligence interference, paving the way for a more distributed and resilient online ecosystem. And one of the advantages is that MegaNet makes it easy to convert your unused internet bandwidth into rewards. And this, you know what it is? Well, it's very simple. I'll explain how it works later, but with just 3 clicks, you can securely share your extra bandwidth with the network, which helps verified organizations improve their online services, gaining security and more speed in every transaction made directly in that decentralized department. In return, you'll earn rewards for the people who use that network. Now then, how does it work and what do you need to do? First of all, you need to go to the description of this video and click on the first link that you'll find pinned. And you're going to enter this section here. You just need to select your wallet, whether it's from Solana or any other type of wallet on the network that you find suitable. We simply click this one here to add our MetaMask wallet. We click on it, wait a few seconds, connect, and that's it. You don't have to do absolutely anything else. And now I'll explain what we have here directly for you. First of all, I need to explain to you what the methods are for earning income through this platform. To do this, there are 2 very simple methods. You can use your referral code to invite your friends, and of course, earn a benefit for every person you invite to the platform. This is one of the most traditional methods that everyone knows. And the other option is by investing. And how do you need to invest? Well, you can simply buy a node. This node currently has a value of $35. Once you acquire this node, you'll be able to earn points, and also depending on the percentage of profit that this node gives you. Well, obviously you're going to have income. How many nodes are you going to be able to acquire? For this occasion, you will be able to obtain a maximum of 50 nodes for each account you have registered. For example, in this account here, I have a silver node which generates 10% for me. And if we look at this section here, we'll see directly the amount of farming the node and how much it has generated. Here we have the points generated today, which are 53 points. The total points I've generated since I registered this account and bought that node. And now I'm going to show you the benefits I have in my other account. In this account here, I have another node, which is a gold node, and I have generated 129 points today. And I also have 824 points in total. That this amount here, the total is the benefit that I will have passively. I also want to tell you that your node will continue working whether it is online or offline. Obviously, the benefits will be different if you're online or offline. You'll also find important points on the platform, which are experience points. I'm going to show you how this works now, more or less, since I have it right here. This experience is valuable, in which I have 1603 experience points. This here will also help you increase the potential of your node. And this is extremely easy and simple to obtain. Simply put, for example, you like and retweet the platform's Twitter page directly. And with this, you'll get 100 experience points. If you react directly in the Telegram group, you'll get 100 more points. If you connect your Twitter directly to the platform, you'll get 500 more points, and so on. For example, I created this one here, which prompts me to follow the platform directly. From MegaNet on Twitter, they give me 1,000 points. Here we have the option to subscribe to the Telegram channel. You get 1,000 points for joining the chat group directly. They give you 1,000 more points, and so on with any activity you have at the bottom, just linking to any of them to support. Obviously, your experience points and this here will help you enhance enhance the node you're working on. And the method to cash in these points is as easy as clicking on claim. If you bring in referrals, for example, a referral gives you 2,000 experience points, which are not the points that directly generate nodes. These are experience points and they need to be different. Then you also have the referral section, where if you invite a referral, you'll earn 5% of the total funds from each node purchased for every node bought, as well as 10% of the lifetime points from the rewards of the people you've referred. And, as I always tell you, it's extremely important that you follow the platform's social media so that you're 100% informed about every reward authorization, information from other people who have also acquired nodes. How does it work? You can ask questions, answers. You're going to get everything you need right here. So jump directly to the platform's community and join it so you don't miss out on anything. I also want to remind you that in the description of this video, I'm going to leave the white paper so you won't have any doubts. When analyzing it completely, it is important that you analyze the projects 100%. So before you jump straight into buying your node, check out the white paper, understand the project, and then make the investment you see fit. Now then, have you understood how everything works? Now, how do you acquire a node? Simply by clicking on I want more nodes. Here you will select the network you want to operate on. I recommend that you use the match chain thing here. The payment method, whether it's BNB or USDT. Here you enter the number of nodes you want, which in this case is one node. Here you enter the amount, which is 35 USD, and then you click on buy node. It's that easy and simple. And an important thing, very, very important. Notice this detail here that I forgot to tell you. As of today, 1693 have been sold. 1693, out of the 2,000 nodes that have been made, there are about 300 nodes available. So analyze it thoroughly. So guys, pretty much everything you need to know has been explained. Remember that you have the official links in the description of this video to access and acquire your node. I'm signing off here, sending you a kiss and a hug. Thank you so much for always being there, and I'll see you, as I always say, in the next video. Bye bye.
Just see everything we believe.